So now I have 1/2 y minus 3 equals 4 plus 2/3 y. Oh, that was my Skype. So, since there are two fractions here, what I have to do is I have to find the LCM. The LCM of 2, so let's just put this over the side here. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 are the multiples of 2. Let's see the multiples of 3. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9. Oh, look! 6 right here is the common multiple between the two. So I'm going to multiply everything by 6. So I'm going to multiply this by 6, this by 6, 6, and 6. Now I have to divide my LCM, divide by the denominator. 6 divided by 2, well, that's 3. So cancels out the 2, and I'm left with just 3 in brackets, my numerator, 1y. Okay? 6 times by 3, well, that's 18. Okay? 6 times by 4, that's 24. And here, 6 divided by 3, well, that cancels out. And 6 divided by 3 is 2. So I'm left with just 2. And then, what's in the brackets? 2y. So now, let me clean this up a little bit. 3 times by 1, well, that's 3y minus 18 equals 24. 2 times by 2y, well, that's 4y. Now, letters to the left. This here is to the right of the equal sign, so I'm going to minus 4y here. What you do to one side, you must do to the other side. So I'm just going to be left with, that one cancels out, negative y, or negative 1y, same thing. Drop everything down. Now, numbers to the right. So I'm going to add 18 here, so I could cancel that out. What you do to one side, you must do to the other side. So I'm left with negative y, 24, add by 18, well, that's 42. Now I'm not done because there's still a negative there. So I'm going to divide by negative 1 because a negative and a negative becomes a positive. And that now cancels out my y, my negative, and so I'm just left with y. What you do to one side, you must do to the other side. So I'm going to divide by negative 1 there. 42 divided by negative 1, well, that's negative 42. And there's my answer.